Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. So today I am changing this small piece of mirror into vintage style handy mirror so that I can take it anywhere and everywhere and it looks super elegant. For that I am using a waste cardboard and drawing tape to support the waste cardboard. For the designing part I am using Fevicryl molded clay. Fevicryl molded clay is now available in every stationery shop. If by chance it's not available at your place, then you can of course order it from Amazon or Flipkart. Now the designing is going on, and if you want you can copy the design, there is no issue at all. Otherwise you can let your creativity flow and just do whatever your heart feels like, and I'm super sure that the end result would be absolutely gorgeous no matter what. After the clay has dried up, I will show you how it looks. And so here the clay has dried up and the mirror looks like this. I hope you like it. Now I have painted the mirror with black, red, and golden color to give the vintage effect. I hope you really like the end result. And I have made another vintage style mirror, which is of course not handy, it is for home. And I hope you would like this one also. If you have liked the video, please do comment your thoughts below, and do not forget to subscribe, and please share it with your friends who would like to see such kind of content. Thank you so much.